Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FUSZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. So first update comes about based on just a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance. So going into the day, right there at $1.80 was a mark of support, but now that the price is broken down below it, which is essentially what caused kind of the bigger fall here, that would be the near-term level of resistance in the event the price can push up through $1.80. Then that next level of resistance up there right at the $2 even point. So $1.80, $2, two couple levels of resistance. The nice thing that happened today in regards, and this is for mainly those of us that use charts and understand charts, and has everything to do with that right there. That is exactly how you would want to see that level within the world of charts act. That pink line is representing the very famous 200 period simple moving average. And even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you know that when the price is above that 200 period, you really do want to see the price stay above it, because that's a trend indicator where when the price is above it, that implies that the overall trend is in the bull's favor. And that's exactly what happened here. And that's kind of why I laugh when people say, "Oh, charts don't work." Now, a chart's perfect? No. But nothing is perfect. But I mean, that's a little bit too much of a coincidence to see the price be pulling back, and then all of a sudden bouncing right from that area. So point here being, going forward, that pink line continues to be that very important level of support. And yeah, in the event the price heads back down there, I'm not saying it will, but if it does, then this is the sort of history that you want to see repeating itself, where that continues to act as support going forward. So sure, all in all, the price pulled back a bit today, but from the grand scheme of things, the overall trend is still in the bull's favor. And as long as the price keeps on building those higher lows, that's what you want to see. One of the biggest questions I get is, "Hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade?" So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.